Are you new to public speaking? Don't worry, we all were at one time or another. But let me give you a few tips on do's and things to avoid when you give your first icebreaker public speech. The first thing to think about is the catchy title. This way it'll get the audience attention. After that, you can start to plan and write your main part of the speech. The first part is the opening, which is the introduction of the speech. The first thing you need to do is write an quote or an open-ended question like, can you or have you? After a pause, then you start to summarize the points you're going to say on your main part of the speech, which is the body and the content. Don't go into lengthy introductions because this will confuse the audience. The next part is the body, which is the content of the speech. Here you would elaborate on what you're trying to say of the points that you used in the introductions. Always use transition, which are short sentences that links from one point to the next. This way the audience will understand that you're finishing one point and you're going on to the next point. For example, point 1 is ... point 2 is ... and so on. Do not have too many points because it will make it difficult for you to get your message across. And of course the audience will tune out, like fall asleep. Or they will go on their mobile phones, waiting for you to finish your speech. So do bear that in mind when you write your main part, which is the body content of your speech. The final part you need to write is the conclusion. This is the summary of what you had just said. This helps you to reinforce your message and also helps the audience to understand what you just spoke about and something they can take away with them and learn something useful from you. When it comes to delivering, it's a very important point to get a mentor that you're comfortable with. Together, you plan on how you are going to deliver the speech. Practice and time yourself. Otherwise, your mentor can help you do this. And they can give you feedback on how the audience would feel when you deliver your speech. And this would help you be better prepared. Will you be using visual aids? For example, a PowerPoint slide. Or will you be using props? Try not to cram too many text on the slides, because if you do that, people will be too busy reading the slides and not listening to you. And with the props, try not to put them in the wrong places, because it can become a distraction for the audience and also for you. Finally, do plan ahead and work with your mentor because with good planning, giving enough time to practice your speech will make you better prepared, and then you will be ready to deliver your knockout icebreaker speech. Thank you for watching, and good luck, and do your best. That's all for now. Goodbye.